Push the chair frame apart and press the two side tubes down into the grooves of the frame. Pull up on the seat back handles and lock them into place. Unscrew the bolts and gaskets from the controller system. Set the controller in place over the gaskets, secure the bolt by hand, then tighten by screwdriver. Secure the wire harness to the frame using the supplied plastic cable ties. Connect the wire harness plug, not marked, and the two motor plugs, marked left motor and right motor, from the controller with the correct plug inserts coming off the back side of the chair. Install the footplate tray on the upper tube of the left or right of the frame. Rotate the footplates forward and lock into place. Package the leg strap on the right and left upper tubes, then use the nylon tape to secure.